In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the track type in DaVinci Resolve to stereo, a simple yet essential task that can make a significant difference in your editing workflow. Whether you're new to video editing or a seasoned pro, mastering these fundamentals will help elevate your content and provide you with more control over your audio tracks. Let's get started and walk through the process together, ensuring you feel confident every step of the way. First, let's go ahead and open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, it's available at the official DaVinci Resolve website. Once installed, launch the program and open the project you want to work on. If you haven't created a project yet, simply start a new project, add your media files, and navigate to the timeline where your audio and video tracks are displayed. With your project loaded up, direct your attention to the timeline at the bottom of the screen where you'll see both audio and video tracks. You will need to find the particular audio track you want to modify. Now bring your cursor over to the audio track and right-click on it. A menu will pop up offering several options. From this menu, we're specifically interested in the option that says Change Track Type to. Go ahead and click on Change Track Type to, and you'll be provided a few track type options. In this list, you'll find the choice for stereo. Selecting this option changes the track to a stereo track. It's a straightforward yet powerful feature because it allows you to control the spatial dimension of your sound, giving your project a richer and more immersive audio quality. At this point, you might wonder why stereo is preferred over mono. Stereo audio tracks have two channels, left and right, which work together to create a sense of depth and spatial awareness. This is especially important in video production, where aligning audio with the visual storytelling element is crucial for audience engagement. Having confirmed that you've changed to a stereo track, you're all set. Take a moment to play back your track, ensuring that it sounds just as you intended. You can always tweak and adjust further to better fit your project's needs, and there you have it. Changing an audio track in DaVinci Resolve to stereo is as simple as that. This small adjustment can enhance your project's overall production quality by offering a more dynamic and engaging audio experience. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to explore different track types and effects DaVinci Resolve has to offer, as experimenting with these will allow you to find the perfect sound for your videos. Thank you for tuning in and happy editing.